Straw man fallacy. To present a weak argument that can easily be refuted so that your argument looks better by contrast.
I can't believe they invented it!
Hello, everybody. I'm Troy McClure, star of such films as P is for Psycho and The President's Neck is Missing. But now I'm here to tell you about a remarkable new invention. Until now, this was the only way to get juice from an orange.
You mean there's a better way?
But that's all changed, thanks to the juice loosener. Let's meet the inventor, Dr. Nick Riviera.
Hello, Troy. Hi, everybody.
Hi, Dr. Nick.
Troy, would you like a glass of orange juice?
I sure would. But won't we have to pay those outrageous grocery store prices for something the farmer probably spit in?
Not anymore. All thanks to the new juice loosener.
Doctor, are you sure it's on? I can't hear a thing.
It's whisper quiet.
You got all that from one bag of oranges?
In this clip, Troy McClure tries to persuade infomercial viewers that the juice loosener is a useful invention by first asserting that the only other way to get juice out of an orange was squeezing it against your face. He deliberately sets up a weaker argument, that of getting juice out of an orange by squeezing it against your face, so that the juice loosener looks better by contrast. By setting up a weak argument to be refuted, and making his own argument look better by contrast, Troy McClure creates a straw man.
Subscribe to Colburn Classroom and be on the lookout for new videos.